Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best good travel pillow that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best good travel pillow. Traveling will make you happy, and when you are come back from your travel, you will feel tired because you have spent many times on car or airplane. If you are choosing this travel pillow, you can relax on your car or airplane with a joyful travel pillow will bring with the traveling without a tired feeling, because when you are sleepy or tired you can use this pillow. Number 5. Heiress Memory Foam Travel Neck Pillow with Sleep Mask. The super soft memory foam is made from the highest quality viscose elastic foam compression that responds slowly to pressure. Main features: most comfortable neck pillow, easy to clean with removable cover, flexible design. Number 4. Travel Mate Memory Foam Neck Pillow. Unlike anything on the market, this newly released and improved version has a built-in removable insert so you can adjust the thickness of the pillow. Main features: machine washable plush velour cover, made of high-quality memory foam, built-in elastic strap. Number 3. Classic Brands U-Shape Memory Foam Travel Pillow. Its lightweight and built-in elastic strap makes it easy to attach to carry-on luggage, backpack. Its soft navy blue velour cover is removable and machine washable. Main features: built-in elastic strap, memory foam cradles, velour cover. Number 2. Travel Rest Curl Therapeutic Memory Foam and Neck Pillow. The high-quality, thermosensitive memory foam molds perfectly to the contours of your neck and shoulders to help maintain natural alignment while sleeping. Main features: machine washable and elastic carry, therapeutic design, fully guaranteed. Number 1. Luxury Memory Foam Travel Pillow. The premium grade memory foam will form to the contours of your head, neck and shoulders to provide support to the part of the body which suffers most on long journeys. Main features: ideal Christmas gift idea, easy to carry and store, reliable support. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.